How to use coins on AliExpress. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can use coins on your AliExpress app. Now the process actually is quite simple, however there are a few ways that you can spend your coins or few things that you can spend your coins on. The first process is if you open up app here AliExpress and you'll get an interface like this, head into the account option at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on account option there, and then what you want to do is under payments and discounts you can see the third option, coins. Simply tap on coins, and here you'll be able to get various offers. You'll be able to exchange your coins for coupons. So here you can see various offers. Now this was the first way to spend your coins. The second one is you can head into certain items that you want to buy and you can look into the offer. You can tap on the buy option there, and once you tap on buy, what you want to do is you want to see if there is any offers available related to coins. Now you might be getting 5% off or 10% off if you spend few coins there on the coins offer, or for suppose if you want to buy an item and if the seller has made it available to buy using coins, then you might be able to buy it using the coins. So these are the ways you can use your coins on AliExpress. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.